Hi guys, this is Shomoguru. I've created two different applications using Python and API. One is the currency converter app where you will able to convert any currency based on USD dollar, and another one is the historical currency feature where you just need to put the two different dates to get the currency conversions between these two dates. So let's see how it is. Hey guys, this is the simple app. Just run the first code, and as you can see, just go there and run the second code also, and just choose the desired date from where you want to get the date. And now just click on the currency converter and choose the right currency which you want. Here I am providing the INR value, so just write INR, and this is the current value of the INR based on that date, and against USD. And if you like, just select yes, and that's it. Just click on the first cell, just run the first cell, and after that you need to run the second cell also. If you run it, it will ask you the start date and end date. So you need to select the start date. Here I'm just browsing around the calendar, and I think the March would be the best option. So it's a March 2020. It's a 2nd March actually. So 2nd March, and the end date is I think 29th May would be the best option. So 29th May. And now run the historical rate too. So it will ask you what currency do you want. So here I'm providing INR, so just run it, and then it will ask you, do you like to plot it or print it or save. So if you just write plot, it will give you the graphical representation of the data. So here you can see the interactive plot. Here you can see the value against different dates in a graphical format, beautiful graphical format actually. So you can play around with it if you want before saving the data. So just see it, and after that if you like to print the data to see it, so if you write print, it will give you the data over here, so you can print, you can see it exactly. And if you like to save the data, just write save, that's it. So it will save the data in a currency CSV file. So where you can locate it, just click over here, and here is the file. So if you double click on it, it will give you the values. You can show you the values here. And another thing is that if you like to save the data file in your computer, you just click on download, and it will save you on your computer. And it's pretty much the whole historical currency